Hello viewers, welcome back. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button. Today we are making 100% vegetarian restaurant style sizzlers at home. I can assure you that you have never tried or tasted this yummy recipe before. For this recipe we need a large raw banana, one medium sized boiled potato, finely chopped coriander, mint and onion, ginger chili paste and cashew nuts powder. If you like, you can replace cashew nuts with peanuts. We will start preparation of this recipe by cutting both sides of raw banana. Now peel the skin off and grate it. We will also need black pepper, chili flakes, garam masala, chaat masala, cumin seeds, raisins and chickpea flour or basin. Hot pan, roast the basin or chickpea flour for 3 to 4 minutes. In a bowl, smash the potato and mix grated raw banana. Mix thoroughly to get homogeneous mixture. Now add ginger green chilies paste, onions, chili flakes, garam masala, cumin seeds, black pepper powder, chaat masala, cashew nuts powder, turmeric, raisins, mint, coriander and basin. Add salt to taste and mix uniformly. Our mixture preparation is now ready. Take handful of mixture and roll it into kebabs shape. Insert the skewer right through the kebabs and place it on a plate. Repeat this process and prepare all remaining skewers. Add some oil and cook this kebabs. On a medium to low flame, heat a non-stick grill pan. Soak the wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes. It's important to soak these skewers before preparation, otherwise they will burn while cooking. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn the kebabs sideways. Sure to cook from all sides without burning. Look at the beautiful color of these kebabs. Let's start preparation for the sizzlers. On a high flame, heat the cast iron pan. Sure, it's very hot to get that sizzling effect. The pan is hot, carefully place it on a wooden tray. Add the vegetables of your choice for the base. I am using tomatoes, onions, green peppers, carrots, lemon and cabbage. Add the kebabs on the top and garnish with lemon juice to get sizzling effect. A homemade 100% vegetarian delicious sizzlers are ready. Enjoy this with some mint chutney. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel, leave the comments below and press the like button.